Nowadays, online shopping is quite common. People buy what they need online without any trouble going to the shops. For articles of daily use or small things, people with modern mind started global online purchase years ago. However, for heavy commodities like tile, people still got confused and thought of complex import procedures. Today, we are going to help with this. If you have a backyard wall that needs pool tiles, you can Google pool tiles and find a Chinese pool tile factory. You will get wonderful pool tile from a variety of choices and a surprisingly satisfactory price. Below are the easy steps for individual customers to buy pool tiles globally. 1. Search your desired tile in Google. 2. Select your interested website from the tile range place like China. 3. Select your interested tiles and send inquiry. 4. Confirm the quantity of tiles with sales group. 5. Confirm the delivery address so that the sales team can confirm the shipping cost for you. 6. Confirm PI, pay the deposit, and the factory starts to arrange the order. 7. The sales group confirm the order is ready and you pay the balance. Until now, your jobs are all done. 8. The factory sales group will do the booking and send the shipping documents copy to be confirmed. When the tiles arrive at the destination port, the factory agent will be in charge of the customer clearance, and finally, the tiles will be delivered to your house.